How's it going? Alan Hackler from Bay Maples here. We have a fun day today. We are going to do an installation of a product called GraniteCrete. It's similar to decomposed granite. This material is slightly different that it has some binding agents in it which allow it to be a little more solid than typical decomposed granite does, but it still remains permeable. So we've got someone coming from GraniteCrete to show us the process and do a little demonstration. So we're excited to show you how this works. We're going to be applying the GraniteCrete material on top of this base rock foundation we've already set and compacted. And we're also going to use the grout material that's going to fill in between pieces.
Hungry. What's for lunch, Marcy?
I don't know, Eduardo, what should we have for lunch?